Okay, so here we are on, hey, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Terrain with All Terrain Cleaning Solutions, LLC. And I'd like to bring you along here with a supreme clean. As we see here, we're going to be doing a roof soft wash. And we have this top area right here on the second level. We also have this area as well on the top level. This whole area right here needs to be taken care of. See it more, and along the ridge cap, so we're going to be treating all this, as well as this part right here. We're going to be treating all this right here, this area right here. All right, getting right along the ridge caps right there on the edges. We'll also be doing a gutter clean. So we're here to do also a dryer vent clean and a gutter clean. We look in the gutters there, it looks pretty good. As we come over to this side right here, we want to just note anything that we see cracked here. There's a cracked towel right there. Piece right there that's missing right there. That's not too big of a deal. We do have flashing underneath there, so all this looks good underneath there. We will be soft washing this whole side right here, this whole side right here, and it looks like the other side right over there too. If we look right above the window, that looks like it needs to be cleaned as well. This surface right here, all of this looks fairly clean. I do see a broken towel over there. Let's go over there. We'll also be doing some handy services and kind of tightening up or patching up some towels, I should say. So whenever we're walking on these barrel towels and they're wide like this, you put your feet in between and you walk right over where the ridge cap overlaps. These ones are pretty sturdy. We see that this particular towel right here is totally disintegrated. I'm not sure what much we can do. We can attempt to put it back on it, but this is what happens if you allow moss and those things to sit up on your roof. It degrades the roof. So this is a really good example right here. So this whole thing, it's literally falling apart. So the only thing that we typically would do, and we'll come over and we'll put some adhesive and sealant on this waterproof sealant roof, and we'll patch this area right here. So there's that one. And I noticed one here. Maybe that was the one that I noticed. Now I'm over, I'm not seeing it. Let me continue to walk carefully here. All right. That side's definitely dirty. I think I can see. I need to get to where this dryer bin is. Oh wow! And if I look back here as well, I see a towel that was broken right here. We can put some sealant and patch that up. So this side, as well as that side, will need to be cleaned. Let's go ahead and zoom in so you can actually see it. Yeah, definitely need to be cleaned, and give it a soft wash with that. Back here, we can see this side right here is heavily, I don't know if you can see that, this side right here looks like it needs it really, really bad, needs a treatment. This particular side, on this side, doesn't need it, but that side does right here. It needs it very bad as well. So we have this side and that side. We have all down there. Let's take a walk up here as well, take a look, so we can take a look. We want to step over the ridge cap. If you look along these ridge caps as well, we see some heavy algae buildup as well. That stuff's really slippery. So this back side right here as well. Wow. So this decided I figure this is kind of the north facing side. At least that's what I think. But looking right here, you can see this is heavy algae right here. So this could actually use a treatment as well as all of this up here too. And this whole top roof can use a treatment, you know. So what I'm going to suggest and tell them. And the gutters, we go ahead and clean these gutters out. Let me come down here first. And we're going to blow the gutters out. Very careful walking here. All right. Yeah, just hard debris. So we're going to get up here and clean this out for sure. Here's another angle of it. You can really see how this side of the roof needs to be cleaned. All right. Okay. So I measured this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 16. Okay, let's go ahead and look over the side right here. That's about 10 right there, 16 by 10. 16 by 10. All right. Oh, look at this. We also have this towel that needs to be patched up as well. So we'll definitely be doing that right after we do this dryer vent clean. Okay. On this side over here, this is the north facing side. Okay, and this stuff is really slippery. You can see that it has moss buildup right here. And the only thing is, when you're spraying chemicals and spraying a solution, is we don't want it to get on that. So I mean, we can treat this right here, and but we'll have to let it sit and give it some dwelling time and dry up and eat this stuff up. But yeah, you could definitely see this side right here had it the worst. Another cracked towel right here. Another cracked towel. We won't be stepping on that one. You can see at the corner down there, all that needs to be cleaned. This as well needs to be cleaned, needs to be treated. So, as well as the ridge cap, you can see the ridge cap all the way down needs to be cleaning. Another broken towel right there. All right. So with that, we can make our way down. I believe that this is. Let's see. Here's our dryer vent. Look at it. Here's our dry vent right here. This is what we're gonna do, a dry vent clean service too. And this thing probably has never been done. It doesn't look like it's ever been done. Watch this. This is why you wanna visit allterraine.com for the Supreme Clean. Yeah, 916-549, look at it right there. That's never been opened. This probably has never been cleaned. And see dog hair and all kind of stuff all around here. And really this roof has had its share of, it definitely needs to be treated for real. Okay, so let me go ahead and log off here. Well, let me open this up so you all can see down here as well. This is the exciting thing. It's like I really enjoy doing this type of work here. I'm working for myself and I'm helping my clients. Let me set this right here for a second. There we go. All right, and take a look. As you can see down this heavy buildup, we're going to take this top off right here. Hold on, 1 second. There we go. It's being difficult, not wanting to come out. Oh yeah, that paint is stuck on it. That's why. There we go. Ooh. Okay. And oh dang it. So look under there. See? That's what we have. So let's go ahead and get this all cleaned out here. Make our way down. Do these patching up and stuff, and we'll be back to you. Thank you. allterraine.com. For the Supreme Clean, 916-549-5255. If you're in the Sacramento region, we cover everything from Rockland, Roseville, North Highlands, Antelope, Fair Oaks, Carmichael, Folsom, Orangeville, and in between, all the way out to Davis, Woodland, of course, Rancho Cordova, and all the surrounding areas. So again, visit us at allterraine.com. We'll love to come out and assist you. Thank you.